Hey guys, my name's Shawna. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm sharing with you like a lot of really cheap, inexpensive stocking stuffers for your kids. So this is going to be a haul designated basically towards Dollar Tree, but I just have a few items I wanted to show you guys that are from Myers. So the first one is this. These are Glyco, I don't know. These are little pretzel sticks. These are super good. I know both my kids really love these, and instead of putting lots of candy in their stocking this year, I just got a pack of these because it's just something different, and they're super good. These were $2 at Myers. The next thing is you for a 6-pack for like $2, you can get 6 of these cans of soda pop. I call it pop here, but you know, pop soda. So you can get these. This is a great thing to stick in the bottom because kids love snacks and drinks, especially if they don't get to have them all the time. The next thing is just popcorn, or since it's the holiday, you can do specialty one like the kettle corn or like the caramel corn. And then this is the really cool thing right here that I think is awesome, which are these confetti cake things. I seen these and I was like, no way, my kids would love to make these because let's face it, an easy bake oven was just out of the question. I would just be too scared to let them have that because my kids are 4 and 8, so it's just not an option for us. But these are really cool, and all you have to do is add a couple, what is this? A couple tablespoons of water, and you can mix them up and make them in the microwave. And then you can frost them yourself too. So in this box it was like, I think like $3 or $4 I think, and then this was like $2, but you can get 4 mug cakes out of this, so that's 4 servings, and this covers that. Okay, so moving on to the next part is all the things I got from Dollar Tree, which can go in the stocking or be given on the side. So I'm just going to start with the candy. This is an 8-pack of lollipops. They sell a giant one there for $1, and my kids really liked it, but it's like they could not finish it and it was just too much. So I loved when I found these because it's perfect as a serving size, and then they can definitely have more than one. Or if you have multiple children, then this is an 8-pack. So that pretty much covers all the goodies I want to do this year, because this Halloween we got a lot of candy and it was all that we needed. So next I have some scrunchies. I'm going to break these up. This is a 2-pack. I did buy them lights because we just got a mini tree. I will link my video here that shows you a collab I did with another YouTuber, and we share infant and toddler gift ideas. So you should check that out, because in that video I did talk about like the lights in the tree that I got them to decorate themselves. So I gave them lights for their mini tree. And then I got this for my oldest daughter. This is really cool. This is just like a little craft box, but I thought it would be perfect for like calico or Barbie accessories. So that's really neat. Ooh. How am I still having allergies? It's December. I mean November. Okay, I got these socks. These are really cute. It says 12 to 24 months, but I'm pretty sure my 4-year-old can fit these around the house. And then I got a couple of these bath bombs. Strawberry bath bomb, it says. I can't really tell you what it feels like. I'm not sure. I think it's just a colored one. And I did theme their stockings this year. Their stockings are blue and pink. That's just their favorite colors. I have 2 daughters, so their themes were blue and pink. So I got kind of close to that at Dollar Tree with these little shower caps and nail polish sets. This is really cool. These are 2 for $1 then. And then I was going to get a blue and a pink chapstick, but I didn't want them to argue over their chapstick, so I just got them the same flavor. And so then moving on now to like the educational stuff, I got this Count and Find book, which is really, I thought was neat because it's not just counting, like it keeps going like continual up to 100. So I got that. And they had these cool they're bookmarks. They're I don't know, they feel kind of magnetic. I'm not sure. Got those. And this was super cute. My daughter likes Beauty and the Beast, and this is like a cute little story. It's really short though, except it does have pop-ups. And then for my 4-year-olds, I did get lots of flashcards. We got numbers and counting, basic phonic letter sounds. I got the ABC flashcards, and we got Go Fish. She really likes playing this game. I think she'll get the hang of it more with characters than she would regular playing cards, which is what we play with currently. And then, so now for like something to do, I got these coloring books here. And what I liked about these coloring books for her specifically is that the pictures in these books are bigger, and there's not like any activities in them. So it's like she could just have fun coloring the pages instead of getting kind of sidetracked. Because you know, with the younger kids, they kind of have more of a one-track mind. And then this one's something that they can share, because it's kind of like activities and coloring pages. And then this one I thought was really cool because I've never seen one of these before. I don't shop books often though, like coloring books. But this one is a storybook for my older daughter. It's actually the story of Pinocchio, but you can actually color the story. And then the details are a little bit more intricate on this coloring pages, or in these coloring pages. There's that. And then the last couple things that I got is just these little things. She's big into baby dolls, so they had these little bandana baby bibs, which I thought were really cute, or even if you have a baby. So these are just Velcro ones, super cute. And that was everything that I got. Hope you enjoyed seeing some of the items that I found and that they have there. I hope you find something that you'll be going to seek out for your littles. So yeah, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check down below in the description box to my Christmas 2018 playlist and see all the DIYs and gift ideas and Christmas related videos. Also, Vlogmas is coming up that I will be participating in, so stay tuned for that. So thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate you staying a while, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.